Windows are more than just architectural features. They provide comfort, protection, and energy efficiency for your home. In Fort Lauderdale's warm, humid climate, your windows face intense sunlight, heavy rains, and salty coastal air that can cause wear over time. Knowing when to replace them can save you money on energy bills, prevent structural damage, and enhance your property's curb appeal. Here are some common signs that your Fort Lauderdale windows may need replacement. Drafts and uneven temperatures. If you feel warm air leaking in during the summer or cool air escaping from your home, your windows may have broken seals or gaps in the frame. Drafty windows force your HVAC system to work harder, raising your energy bills. In coastal Fort Lauderdale, even small air leaks can quickly turn your home into a heat trap. Replacing old windows with energy-efficient models will help maintain consistent indoor temperatures and lower cooling costs. Condensation or fog between panes. Condensation forming between double or triple pane glass is a sure sign that the seal has failed. Once moisture gets inside the panes, the insulating gas leaks out, drastically reducing your window's performance. In Fort Lauderdale's humid air, this issue becomes even more noticeable and can lead to mold growth. New replacement windows with advanced sealing technology prevent this problem while keeping your view clear and your home comfortable. Difficulty opening or closing windows that are hard to open, close, or lock may indicate warped frames, corrosion, or damage from humidity. In older wooden or aluminum windows, years of exposure to salt air and moisture can cause frames to swell or rust. Besides being inconvenient, windows that don't close properly can also compromise your home's security. Upgrading to vinyl or fiberglass frames offers smoother operation and durability against Florida's tropical conditions. Visible damage or decay. Cracked glass, chipped paint, soft wood, or visible rot are clear signs of window deterioration. When water seeps into the frame, it can damage your walls and insulation. In Fort Lauderdale's coastal neighborhoods, salt corrosion can quickly eat away at older materials. Modern replacement windows are built with moisture-resistant materials that stand up to the elements, reducing maintenance and extending your home's lifespan. Rising energy bills. If your energy costs have been climbing despite regular AC maintenance, your windows might be to blame. Older windows with single-pane glass or worn-out seals allow heat transfer, making your cooling system work overtime. Energy-efficient replacement windows with low E coatings and insulated glass can block UV rays and reduce heat gain by up to 30%. This upgrade not only cuts your utility bills but also protects your furniture and floors from fading. Excessive outside noise. Living in Fort Lauderdale often means dealing with traffic, construction, and coastal winds. If you're hearing more noise than usual, your windows may have lost their soundproofing ability. Modern replacement windows with double or triple glazing and sound dampening insulation can significantly reduce outside noise, creating a more peaceful indoor environment. Faded furniture and flooring. The Florida sun is intense, and UV rays can damage your interior surfaces over time. If your furniture, carpets, or artwork are fading faster than expected, your windows may not be providing adequate UV protection. Today's replacement windows feature coatings that block up to 95% of harmful rays while allowing natural light to brighten your space. Outdated appearance. Even if your windows still function, outdated styles can drag down your home's curb appeal and resale value. Sleek, modern replacement windows can instantly refresh your Fort Lauderdale property's look while offering improved performance. Custom designs and frame finishes can complement any architectural style, from coastal cottages to contemporary homes. Upgrade for comfort and efficiency. If you notice any of these signs, it may be time to consider window replacement. Investing in new, energy-efficient windows will not only improve your home's comfort and appearance but also increase its long-term value. With the right installation, you can enjoy lower energy bills, reduced noise, and a brighter, safer home, all year round in Fort Lauderdale's tropical climate.